Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be talking about how to hull a strawberry. Hulling is a cutting technique that allows you to cut off just the green tip, which means there's more for the kids to eat. I love to hull strawberries. Hull, H-U-L-L, that's how you spell it. It's a great word for a really simple technique. For this, I'm using a smaller knife, a paring knife. Mine is serrated because that's what I have in my house. But yours can be smooth, it doesn't really matter. And of course I have my towel. Okay, the first thing is, of course, wash your strawberries. Now, here is how most people cut strawberries. They're just gonna find an area near the green part and just give it a little slice. And I'm gonna keep this here as a demo. Here is how you hull a strawberry. You're gonna hold the strawberry in your non-dominant hand. So for me, that's my left hand. And then I'm going to take my knife, which needs a little wipe, and I am going to hold it on the blade very carefully. And then I'm going to put the tip into the knife at a 45-degree angle. Now, I'm going to take my thumb and push it straight on top of the green part. And I'm going to keep my knife still, but I'm rotating my strawberry. So I'm going to rotate, pull off just the green. Just the green. Now why I love this technique is that now you can just give this a little quick cut and you have beautiful strawberry slices. Let me show everyone again because it's kind of hard. This takes a little bit of practice. Take the knife, insert at an angle, thumb on top, and then we're rotating. If you notice, I'm holding my thumb towards my knife and I'm rotating my strawberry. Strawberry is moving, the knife is not moving. And then you get, this is what it looks like at the end. You have a nice little hole in the center. But the real trick here is that you get to eat all of this strawberry. There's so little waste. So, hulling, it just gives more strawberries for your sundaes.